What's up, my people? It's your boy Onoskid FX. So in today's video, I'm going to do a proper introduction to the forex industry. I know this might sound crazy because some of you will be like, oh, we've been trading for a while, so why is the need for introduction to forex again? But the truth of it is, some of us get into this game without having a proper knowledge of what it is, how it works and all. So we get the wrong impression for what we must have seen on the social media, probably the kind of person we met talking about the forex industry, and then we jump into the game and we keep on struggling for a couple of months, years and all to gain profitability and consistency in the market. So in this video, I'm going to do a proper introduction, like I said, and we cannot talking about the forex industry without talking about the financial market as a whole. So I'm going to cover everything you need to know about the forex industry and the financial market. I'm also going to talk about who can trade the market. Okay, this is a very big question that needs to be answered, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to it, because whenever we drop important content like this, I'm sure you don't want to miss out. Also, do it stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to be laying emphasis on basic things you need to know about the forex industry. If you've been trading before now, you are also lucky that you're coming across this video, because this might solve the problems that you'll be struggling with. And if you're a new or a beginner who is just coming into this game, then congratulations to you, because this video is going to solve most of your problem. So kindly make sure you stay to the end of this video and stay tuned, guys, because this video is going to cover a lot. Make sure you don't wash it out, because towards the end of this video there are some other secret and tips that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So all right, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into what we have today. So I'm starting with, what is the financial market at large? So like I said, what is the financial market? So the financial market is nothing but any system or place that allow both buyers and sellers to transact financial instruments. So the financial market is basically classified into four. We have the likes of currencies, we have the money markets, we also have the likes of derivative, and we also have the likes of financial instrument. So the forex market comes in the aspect of what? Currency market. All right, then in the currency market as well, we have the like of crypto and then the forex. So when you talk about financial instrument, we are talking about currencies, we are talking about commodities, we are talking about derivatives, we are talking about different items that can be traded online. Okay, so that is that about the financial market. Now bring it out to what we are interested in, which is the forex market. So what is the forex market? In all of these financial markets which I've listed, the forex market is the largest of them all, because it has a trading volume of about $7 trillion per day. You see, that is a whole lot of money, and that is where the problem lies, because in as much as you trade, no amount of money you make in the market can you run it down, because 7 point something trillion dollar a day is not a joke, it's a whole lot of money. All right, so you cannot exhaust the money from the market. So that is that about the volume of money that is traded in the forex market. Now I'm also going to take you on, what do you expect from the market, or what do you do in the forex market? How did you trade this financial instrument which I've mentioned before now? So what are the things you need to put in place? How do you have a proper idea about this financial instrument? So this is what we are going to dive into right now. So all right, so guys, the summary of everything we do in the forex industry is termed trading. Okay, so what is trading? Trading is just the act of buying and selling of goods and services. Bringing it down to the terminologies relating to forex or forex trading per se, is forex trading can be defined as the act of buying and selling of financial instruments. Okay, so the instruments we said it's being traded. The trading is done online, unlike the physical transaction that you go to a market or a mall or something, you buy physical goods and pay. But this time around we are doing it online with your smartphone. So that is what for forex trading, the summary of it. But the big question is when to buy and when to sell, which is a very big issue. Because when you do it the wrong way, the market is going to take your money, but when you do it the right way, you're going to take money from the market. So in order for the market not to take your money, and in order for you to take money from the market, is the reason this video is meant for you. So make sure you stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you are new to it. So you have to have the mindset that the forex industry is not a get rich quick scheme. All right, it's something that you have to think in long term. Okay, give yourself some time that, okay, within these 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now, this is where I want to be, and then you have to work towards it. There's a saying that states that when a dream is big enough, the odd does not matter. So you have to pay the price of learning, the price of waking up, the price of staying in the process. Even though whatever you face, you have to face that challenges and make sure that at the end of the day you come out being a good and a successful trader. But how will you become a successful trader, which is the aim of everyone? So in the next skin, I'm going to explain to you the mindset of a successful trader. So stay tuned. So guys, for you to be successful in trading, there are 3 basic skills you need to pay attention to. The first one is technical analysis skill. You need it, it's very important. The second one is risk management skill. Of course, that is the king. And then the last one, but not the least, is trading psychology. Okay, these 3 skills are what you need to become a consistent, profitable, and a successful trader. Okay, but then to get these things are not actually easy. It might sound so easy, but then it takes, hard work to achieve these 3 things that I've mentioned to you. Okay, statistics have shown that 80 to 90% of traders are losing their money, according to the statistics shown by the CN market. Okay, so how do you now check those that are profitable and those that are not profitable? There are some mindset that the 10% that are making profit has, and there are some mindset that are peculiar to these 80s or 90s that are losing money in the market. That is because this 80 or 90% of people may not necessarily, they might be good in technical analysis as a skill, but then they may not have the risk management skill and the psychology. Among these 3 skills which I've listed, the most important one, the 2 most important ones is psychology and risk management. And these are the ones that many beginners traders neglect. So I'm using this opportunity now to inform you guys, if you have started trading before now or you are going into the game of trading, make sure you pay close attention to your risk management skill and your psychology, because this is what is going to determine your profitability and your consistency in the market. The moment you have these 2 key intact, your emotions are going to come in, but you'll be able to conquer it, because now your psychology is intact and you have now the risk management ability. So that is just the 3 basic skills that you need. Okay, this is the candlestick which I talked about. Like I said, when we are talking about technical analysis, it's just your ability to read the candles. And I told you that the candles are what's the language of the market. So you need to understand what to do whenever you meet a condition like this. In the technical analysis, you're going to learn about market structure. And that is why in my previous videos, I've taken my time to explain everything about market structure, starting from introduction to market structure and complex market structure. So kindly do it to visit the page to watch those videos. And also in the technical analysis, you have to learn about support and resistance. Support and resistance are turning points in the market. There is also a video. You have to see there are a lot of support and resistance, but not all are valid. So I'm sure some of us have drawn some support and resistance. At the end of the day, you see the market breaking through them and you'll be like, what is happening? So make sure you go back to the page and watch some of these videos which I've listed before. Now I'm talking about market structure, support and resistance, trend line, Fibonacci, and all they are all there. So that is what market technical analysis skill is going to help you with, to be able to know what to do per time. If you look at this chart, you will see some of the drawings which I've done before now. You will see some markings which I've done. So what I am doing here is nothing but what technical analysis. Okay, these are technical analysis. This is a trend line that got violated. So all of this knowledge is what you're going to learn when you're paying attention to technical analysis. Most times traders or beginners don't really know, when they tell them about trading psychology, technical analysis, and risk management, they don't know when these skills are needed. Okay, so for you to be able to place a trade, there must be an analysis that is telling you to place that trade. Now, before entering, you have to, that is technical analysis. Technical analysis is what we tell you that on the chart. Now, before you place that trade, you have an equity. When I'm talking about equity or a balance, I'm talking about your capital. You have some money which you want to use as an investment to start this business. But because you don't want to use everything, you have to think, how much am I willing? Do you understand? The word willingness must be there. Because when you're talking about risk is not something that you go in and you're not willing to give it out. When you say risk, it means that you are comfortable with whatever the outcome may be. So it is risk management that will not help you to sort out those things. I have $1,000. I want to lose just $20 from it. It is risk management that will help you to evaluate that. After you must have evaluate all of this thing together, and you probably click the buy or sell depending on what your analysis is saying. Then the next skill, which is the trading psychology, will come into play. You see the trade going up, sometimes it's coming down. How are you feeling about it? So you have to be in charge of your emotion, because emotion is one of the greatest enemy of many traders. Because you may be in a position, and because of what the market is doing and you don't have strong emotion, you either jump in or jump out, or you see yourself over trading, or you see yourself running after trade and all. And at the end of the day, you start losing your money. So this is currency pair, GBP USD, meaning Great British Pound compare with the US dollar. So this is part of the current Forex market, all right? So if you look at this particular channel, this particular page, this is Deriv. Deriv is just a broker, okay? And the chart you're seeing here is a chart of volatility 25 index. This is an example of derivative market. This is an example of derivative market. So this particular one is a program algorithm that's used to like mimic the Forex industry. So it's actually behave like this real market condition. So that's basically that's about technical analysis and how you need to know about it. I'm sure this video is helpful, all right? So you have to watch this video once, probably like 2 times, or to grab everything I've said so far, okay? And make sure that you observe yourself, to ask yourself, where am I currently, so that you know the next move to take, all right? So that's that about technical analysis. There are other videos which I've done on risk management and psychology. So after you must have watched this video and watched some of the things I've said, you can also want to pay attention to your psychology and risk management. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful. Like I said, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to it, okay? Just make sure you do that. And if you have any question in regard to my previous video, please kindly make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'm always available to attend to all your questions. And also, very important, before I forget, there is a community of traders coming together to trade both the forex market and the synthetic market, okay? The link to the Telegram channel is in the description, all right? So make sure you join that Telegram channel. It's for your best interest. We drop analysis, weekly market breakdowns, and all. So make sure you join the Telegram channel so that you can also participate and learn from some of this analysis and how we trade, okay? You can communicate with us via the Telegram channel, or have direct access to me from the Telegram channel. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. See you in our next video on No Speed Case.